up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these in my DM. Hold up, I got a kid. Oh, I can sing so well. Wonder if I can say the N-word. When can I really say the N-word? What up, my winner? What up, my winner? Big ups, my winner. We are my winner. You stupid little winner. Forget y'all winners. Cause I'm that winner, 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 winner. I'm that winner. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So hot it turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive this Ferrari. I'm like skin black. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive this Ferrari. I'm like skin black.
I woke up and I'm Lil Dicky. What the heck? Man, this is real weak. How staying perched up on a walking down the street and ain't nobody know my name. Ain't no paparazzi flashing pictures, this is great. Ain't nobody judging cause I'm black or my controversial past. I'ma go and see a movie and relax. Hey, I'm a blood but I can finally wear blue. Why is his mama calling all the time? Leave me the heck alone. Damn, wait, if I'm a Diggy body, Breezy is who? Oh, my daughter's in school. Wait, if I was Chris Brown, what would I be? What would I do?
I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So hot it turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn it sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I look at myself and the light is my dream.
If I was Little Diggy in my body, where would I be? I'm trying to find myself like an introspective monk.
I'm balling on the court, oh my God, I can go. Snap a flick of my bill.
My jock is trending on Twitter.